More than a year since his indictment, and after repeated attempts to postpone proceedings, Donald Trump will now stand trial. He's the first former president to face a criminal prosecution.
At its core, this case today is one with allegations like so many of our white-collar cases. Allegations that someone lied again and again to protect their interests and evade the laws to which we are all held accountable.
Trump's accused of paying hush money to porn star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. The 34 charges are Class E felonies, the lowest level in the state of New York. While analysts say jail time would be unlikely, Trump could face up to 4 years in prison for each of those charges against him.
It's still a crime, a felony, right? It's still something that impairs his credibility, his willingness to tell the truth about things. Those are very important outcomes of a trial beyond the number of months he has to serve in prison.
Trump has pleaded not guilty to the charges and says the allegations are politically motivated by a justice system that's been weaponized against him, all in a bid to dent his chances of winning the presidency come November. This trial slated to last around 6 weeks, time that Donald Trump could have otherwise spent on the campaign trail. But it's expected that the former president will look to turn this court case into an opportunity to court voters. Judge Juan Machan has imposed a gag order on Trump. The order blocks the former president from attacking prosecutors, the judge's family and witnesses. Trump is appealing, arguing it impinges on his right to free speech as he continues to campaign for president. Republican strategists say he'll still try and use the spotlight to his advantage.
This allows him to dominate the conversation in American politics every time he steps into a courtroom. The only negative side is that if he's forced to be in that courtroom every day, then it does hurt his campaigning, as well as it's a drain on the resources of his campaign as well.
Polling also shows the trial could be a drain on his popularity. A new Reuters Ipsos survey has found that 64% of registered voters say the charges against the businessman turned politician are serious. That's in contrast to 34% of people who say the case lacked seriousness. Results from the poll also showed that 1/4 of potential Trump voters would not back him if he was serving prison time. William Denselow, CNA, New York.